Good morning. We'll continue the remaining part of the program. I already told the program execution starts from main. Here display is nothing but 0x 0e dot 0, that is rs is equal to 0. If we want to read anything, that is r by w is equal to, if we want to read anything means r bar w is equal to 1, we'll be writing this. Why? Because this r is equal to 1 means that is in the read mode means. If it is in a write mode, then r bar w is equal to 0. Here the next line is a display, displaying 0x38.0, and the next one is a display 0xcf.0. The display is a comma 1, that is the data, rs is equal to 1, and next one is while of 1. What is this while of 1? It is a continuous running statement. If we want to a looping statement, like if we want to run something like there is no up to if we want the command to be run till that command success, then we'll be going for that particular for loop, while loop and all. This while loop is continuous running statement. The next one is the display. See here, already I told you, void display of unsigned int a comma unsigned int b semicolon. This is a calling statement, that is it is a declaration statement. When this display, that is the while, before that while we'll be calling the statement, that is display of a comma 1. So once it has been called, then it has been going to the definition of the statement, like void display of unsigned int a comma unsigned int b. Say for example, we are just passing two elements here, unsigned int a comma unsigned int b. Two variables has been passing in the statement. LCD is equal to a, it must be a 8-bit pin must be from a D0 to D7. RS is equal to b, that is first bit pin, and en is equal to 1. This en should be 1 if we want to write anything. The next one is, again we are calling delay underscore ms. What is this delay underscore ms of 10? This is a function declaration. We have declared somewhere there, and we are again calling this for extending the time. Next one is enable is equal to 0. Once that statement is over, and again it will goes to the 0 statement, and again you are just calling this delay underscore ms of 10. Delay underscore ms of 10. Next one is, this is how the PIC microcontroller, from this PIC microcontroller to LCD interfacing display has been connected over here. In exam point of view, you have to write like this. Say for example, you will be having 5 port in it in this PIC microcontroller. Here in our syllabus, we will be seeing about PIC 16F877A. In this 16F877A, we will be having 5 ports. In this port A have 6 pins in it, and then the final one is not having 8 pin or 6 pin. The remaining B, C and D has 8 bits in it. So for interfacing purpose or for any application wise, we'll be much going for this port B, C and then D. Here the LCD display is here, that is the LCD is here. As we already seen in this previous slides, like we'll be checking all the pins and all. So that corresponding pins has been connected to the port B, port C or port D, whatever the port we needed, we'll be connecting in that one. The next one is the output. Here, as I already told, for first line, we'll be checking for B0 or C0, whatever it may be. The first line, first character cursor should be enable 1. Then only you will be getting the characters what you are just programming in it. If we failed to do that, we will be not getting the output here. If there is no output in the display means, how we will be checking the output? By using this multimeter, we will be checking whether it has been whether it is getting supply or not in it. So for instead of that, we'll be doing in all the characters what we are just want to display in the LCD, we'll be programming it in the PIC microcontroller. These are all the references I have taken and the book I have taken in this PIC microcontroller and embedded system. Here the assessment questions are: how PIC microcontroller works and how to interface LCD display with PIC microcontroller, how PIC microcontroller differ from other microcontrollers. Thank you.